Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do a review on some blooming gel that I bought from AliExpress. So I've sped this video up because it's a bit long, and so what I thought I'd do is I'll just go through the colours, go through the numbers and just let you know what they look like. So the bottle's little, actually, to be honest, the bottle's a lot smaller than I thought, you know, but for the 6 bottles they was having a sale on. Yep, that shit stains, sorry. They was having a sale on, so I got 6 bottles for £2 something, and now they've gone up to £4 something. So I thought what I'd do is I'd just go through all the bottles, show you what they look like on the tissue. There's a red and there's a purple. They're quite nice colours. I've never ever used these things ever before, so you know, whatever it comes out, it's a bit of bad luck. I thought I'd give it a go because I've seen lots of women do it and people do it. I thought I'd give it a go, and like I say, they're small bottles, they're only 7ml, but you know, for £2 just to try something, why not? Now that was like an orangey brown. I wasn't really keen on that colour, but the red, the purple and the pink are quite nice. I think this might be a green. Let's have a look. Yeah buddy, green. It's a nice green, isn't it? Hopefully by Christmas I might be able to get better at using them and do a nice Christmas set. Who knows? Now this one is a black. I didn't realise it was a black, but okay. So what I did was I painted 2 nails white with nail nail snow white nail gel polish, and baked them in my UV light for 2 minutes. So one I polished with gel and made it shiny, and the other one, what I did was I polished it with gel, made it shiny, and then I buffed it to make it matte, to give it a bit of a different texture, because I wasn't sure whether it goes on a shiny surface, a matte surface. So I thought, let me just give it a go. So this is the matte nail, and I'm not sure how, you know what, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like picking up colours going, yeah, blah blah blah, that will do, blah blah blah. I thought I'd try every single colour on this nail, just like plonk it on. Just bang it on, it looks nice. I do. A bit more of that colour. What was that? Pink? Yeah, a bit of pink. A bit more red. A bit more purple splurple. I thought, let me try the black and see what that does. I put the black on. It really didn't. It squidged it about a bit, but I don't know what it was supposed to do. To be honest with you, I just put them on and splodged it about and tried it. Now, trust me, these things you really do need to wear gloves. So if you do these paints, put a pair of gloves on first, because that stuff stains. The colours didn't go on too bad. I quite like the purple. Looked quite nice. I've got a thing about purple at the moment. And the pink was quite nice too. So anyway, I let them dry. What I did was I got a little bit of rubbing alcohol and I dabbed it. So it brought the colour out a bit. I thought, I don't know what I was doing, to be honest with you. I just thought I'd try it with a bit of rubbing alcohol. Bob's your uncle, funny's your aunt, you get it wrong, don't you? So, but nope. So I let that dry, and then what I'd do is I'll get a bit of white paint or white gel and just draw some squiggles through it somehow. So because I didn't top coat it, I didn't realise that doing this, the colour would bleed into the white. So I'm doing it, and then as you notice the thin bits, the colour starts to bleed into it, which I suppose ain't a bad thing, I'm not sure. You know, I'm just practicing, trying things out. So I thought I'd top coat it with a UV, a bit of the nails top coat. Do you like me panda? Laying there, quite happy, with my brush holder. I got it for my birthday a couple of years ago from eBay. cost me like £1.50. I was like, yeah boy, get my panda out, getting to hold my brushes. So now I'm going to try on the painted nail, the shiny nail. I'll put on the green, put on the pink, I think that is. And then I'll get, sorry, let's move everything over. And I'll get the red. Oh no, and the purple. And this is on the shiny now, so I thought I'd give it a go. And I'm having fun, splurging it about, splurgy as you do. And I thought, yep, another bit of rubbing alcohol on a brush, and I thought, let me just pull that through and see what that does. And to be honest, it really didn't do much, apart from just really just didn't do much. It just sort of dragged the paint around, but I don't know what I was really expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to look that pants. So splodge more colour on, Niche, come on, and then just drag that through, but that turned out quite rubbish too. So to be honest with you, it's just pants. I don't know, I'd have to figure out how to do a design. For me to get this paint to dry, because it was on the shiny nail, what I did was I just stuck it under my lamp for 2 minutes and let it dry. So with this one now, after I top coated it, I thought I'd try it with a bit of black. So I've got a bit of black gel, put it on a bit of backing paper and started to squiggle a line. Like, another line. And as I notice, it's just fading. It's like gel on gel, isn't it? It's like it's starting to be slippery and shiny, and I need to really get some proper gel paints, but I don't, I thought, I'm really not happy with this. So I decided I'd wipe it off and try something else. So I carried on doing this, realised it looked absolute pants, and thought, nope, no, wipe that stuff off and just top coated it first. It did look like a lot of top coat, but there wasn't really a lot of top coat on that. So I top coated it, make sure it had a nice cover, put it under my UV light for 2 minutes, because my LED light's not that great. I need a proper one. So this is what it looked like. It looks pants, doesn't it, really? It looks awful. I don't know what I'm showing you there, a mess. So I've got some acrylic paint. I thought I'd try a bit of paint, because I thought, I know that you're meant to buff it with paint so that the paint don't slip. I thought, let me give it a go. So move my panda, and I just made sure I loaded up my brush full of paint, and then I just was like, yeah, let's give this a go. So first I tried the lightning thing again. My niche, they look pants, but I shall persevere, because that's how you get to learn to do things, persevere. So I'm painting around it, and then I thought, let me just paint here, no, and I'll go around. I thought I'll go around the colours, so as I'm going around the colours, I thought, no, that is just another crappy piece of stupid art. Maybe black was the wrong colour. So I wiped it off and started again. So I framed some of the colours that I put up with a thin coat, if I could, of black paint. Sorry about my funny breathing, if you can hear that. But yeah, so I thought I'd frame the colours that I made and just see how it goes like that. You know, I don't really do nail art. I'm not really, I don't know, I've never tried. So you know, you don't know till you try, right? So I thought I'll squiggle it here, squiggle it there, bit more, squiggle, squiggle. And what I did was, after I was not completely happy with it, but I just thought that would do too much. Sometimes less is always more, especially when you see certain people. I just thought, yeah, let me just top coat that and just be done with it. So I just squiggled more. I just thought, come on, Mish, just finish it off, because Sound effects. Right. Yeah, I know, right? Huffing and puffing. That's how I felt while I was doing it. Oh God, look! I opened up the red and it spilled. Because what I did was, I just got a regular tip, nothing on it. And I just thought, I'll paint over it. Because I thought I'd put the lid on properly on the red. No, I didn't. Spilt it everywhere. Like a crime scene, man. I had to get CSI to come in and investigate that and see what was going on. Their conclusion is it was the homeowner's fault. They didn't do their things properly. I don't know. I'm just putting it on. Look, see? I'm a proper mucky pup, man, making a mess. So I was just splurge everything on. Splurgy, getting shot. No, don't get shot, because why do you want to do that? Just splurgy. Blob. Blob the colours. I don't know what happened there. I think too. Oh, look, see? Mate. I know I've killed my panda. Yeah, that looks pants as well. But I've never tried it before. So I thought, let me just see if I can try with like a brush and just wet it a bit with a bit of rubbing alcohol, see what that does. That didn't really make much of an improvement. You can see the mess that I've made. And that red bottle, because it tipped over, yeah, it's stained now, so when I've got to touch it, I've got to put on gloves, which isn't a problem really. It puts me in the habit of wearing gloves when I'm doing my nails. So, yeah. Well, right. That is absolute pants, mate. I did top coat this one, I believe, and bake that for 2 minutes. Look, see? Yeah, look, murder scene. Call CSI. Oh my God, somebody killed the panda. What? So here's the pictures of my finished designs. I'm not sure which one was better to go on. I quite like the look of the one on the very left hand side with the white lines going through it, because it had a nicer finish, but I don't know. But anyway, if you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification bell.